Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Krayin CRM, and in today's video tutorial we'll be checking how to create the sources and the source types that are required at the time of lead creation there. But before we proceed further with the particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Now, to create the sources and the source types, the admin needs to log into the admin backend panel of the Krayin itself by entering the email address, password and tapping on the login button. Now after the login, the admin will find the dashboard there, and you can see that the dashboard has loaded up. Now at the time of lead creation, let me show you that first. So when we are creating a new lead, by tapping on the add lead button, here when we scroll down, here we have to select the source and the source type. Now today I'll be showing you both of the same things there, that is the source creation and the type creation. So to create the source and the source type, what you need to do is on the side panel just navigate to the settings option here, and here scroll down to the sources there. So let me go to this and tap on the sources. Now tapping on the sources would bring up the complete list of sources that you have already created, like website, social media, internet, email there. Now to add a new source, what you can do is you can tap here on the add source button, and that will bring up this particular section that you can see here. And here you need to enter the source name. So the source can be, for example, for this we'll just set it as others, and we'll tap here on the save source button. Now this would save the source, as you can see, and the others has been saved now. This source type has been saved now. Now if we go to the particular lead generation here section and tap on the add lead, if I go to the source now, you can see the others has been listed now under the sources. So that's how we can create a source. Now about how we can create the source type. For that, again we'll go to the settings, we'll go to the types, and we'll tap on the types button option there, and that would bring up this particular section with the complete listing of the types that we have already created. So from here we can add a source type. To add a source type, we can tap here on the add type, and then we can enter the name of the source type. For example, we'll set it as telephone for the time being, and we can tap here on the save as type there, and the type would be saved here, as you can see. Now here you have the option of filtering the types as well. By tapping on the filter, you can filter the types according to the ID of the types by entering the ID of the type. For example, if I enter 10 and I hit the enter button, the particular ID having the respective name of the type of the source there would be displayed. You can also filter out the source types using the name there. For example, if I enter tele and hit the enter button, the particular source type would be displayed. Now I can remove the filter by cancelling that out as well. And now if I go back to the lead generation section here, and I tap here on the add lead button, come down to the type here, you can see that the telephone has been listed here as well. So that's how we can easily create the sources and the source types from the admin backend by navigating to the settings option and then going to the sources or the types as required there, and then you can create your sources there. So yes, that was much about how to create the sources and the source type from the admin backend panel there, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise the ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.